In the old days, a politician was said to be shaking hands and kissing babies. The traditional idea was that politicians would have to physically visit constituents or rely on public meetings. But in 2024, have tech advancements been so profound that the politician whose speech you're listening to isn't even human? What if politicians don't have to knock on people's doors or have to make them get out of bed? What if people could choose to contact a politician who's always available? In June 2024, it was reported that an AI candidate known as AI Steve is set to appear on the ballot for the UK's general election. This is said to come from a business person called Steve Endacott, who is the chairperson of a company called Neural Voice. Neural Voice is said to be a company specializing in personalized voice assistants. The tech of Neural Voice is said to be able to create AI avatars for different business functions. And AI Steve is said to be running alongside human candidates. And this may be a way to leverage a combination of human intuition and AI's data-driven capabilities. And by data-driven, this means that trends could be analyzed, outcomes could be predicted, and evidence-based policies could be suggested. No more anecdotal evidence. So, what can AI Steve do? Using a website, voters could interact with AI Steve by asking questions and sharing opinions on policies. And answers are said to be provided based on a database of party policies. So, that may mean democratizing policies and making decisions that are truly the decisions of the voters. But, could that mean the voting on the website could be subject to manipulation? And how are people reacting? When the launch of AI Steve was leaked, there was said to be about 1,000 calls to the AI in one night. Yet, that would mean the AI would need transparency and oversight in case it goes astray. Plus, there's a risk of AI systems being hacked or manipulated, and that could impact the integrity of a democratic process. But this system assumes a rational voter as well. What if the policies getting the most consensus or popularity are driven by bias, prejudice, irrationality, or hate? According to Endacott, AI Steve is his AI copilot, while the human Steve is said to be going into parliament controlled by the copilot. Could AI help minimize human biases and improve the efficiency of governance? If India had a candidate like AI Steve, could that mean a cooler medium for views to be expressed? Is the world ready for a more participatory form of democracy? So, can AI reinvent democracy?